It's been a great asset to our firm. We've grown our practice by at least maybe 30% since we started, and that's only about a year ago. And I find that the clients that reach out to us legitimately need help. We probably have an 80% conversion rate. If the client comes to our office and meets with us, typically they'll hire us. Absolutely, 100%. I believe our practice has grown by 30% since becoming involved with LegalMatch. I think LegalMatch does a great job of putting people in need of legal services with the appropriate professional. I like the fact that the client actually gets to lay out their case, and then the lawyer or lawyers can review the particular nature of that case and reach out to the client and start a dialogue. I think that's important. I think it's important that the client understands that LegalMatch is not just randomly sending these notices out to lawyers who may or may not have expertise in a particular area. The expertise, in my case, I'm being referred family law cases. And I think when you have experienced, seasoned lawyers that LegalMatch is sending their information to the client, I think that's a wonderful aspect of the system. At any time I've needed any type of assistance with LegalMatch, whether it be technical or increasing my area in the state of Pennsylvania, LegalMatch employees have always been tremendous help to me. Practically every day. I would say that if the client makes an appointment and they come to my office, we typically convert 80% of our LegalMatch clients. I was hesitant to get involved with any of these lead generation marketing firms. I did a lot of due diligence in connection with LegalMatch. And at the end of the day, I decided to sign on. I negotiated with them for essentially, I think it was a year or two. And we've just recently re-upped for another 2 or 3 years. Just by increasing the amount of traffic coming through my office, increasing the number of cases that we're involved in on a yearly basis, ultimately with the goal of helping each and every one of those individuals with their family law issues. And I just think that it also gives the public a little bit more awareness of who you are, in that when clients ultimately come in for a consult and sign up, I've had a number of them refer people to me. So I think that's a big plus. I would tell them that they should do their due diligence, make sure that it's a comfortable fit for them, make sure that if they're skeptical at first, to sign a short-term contract or a minimum contract of a year or so. But I don't think any young attorney or any old attorney, for that matter, will be dissatisfied or disappointed that they engaged LegalMatch as a part of their lead generation. I'd like to thank LegalMatch for all of their assistance in connection with increasing the number of clients that I've been able to obtain over the course of the last year. I think that's a real asset, and I have told a number of lawyers about the marketing / lead generation procedures that LegalMatch offers. So number one, I want to thank LegalMatch. Secondly, I want to just say that the number of clients and the types of clients that I've had the pleasure of representing are consistent with what LegalMatch had originally advised me. There were going to be a lot of cases that you may not be interested in, but there's going to be a whole host of cases that you're interested in. I found it to be true. And I would say that more likely than not, most of the cases that are posted, we respond to almost every one of them. And I think it gives the client a good feeling to know that someone is out there and responding to their need, even if they don't hire you.